Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up projects using Android Studio and Java as well. And I hope you are enjoying that all project. In the previous video, I've telling you about Android Studio. That was the video about explanation, and I hope you enjoy that video. So today we are working with Java, and using Java, we'll be building an amazing project. So today we'll be building an amazing image slider using Java, and I hope you'll be understanding this video because previously on when we have built image slider, we have used JavaScript in that or any other language, but we have not used Java to build an amazing image slider. So we are building an image slider using Java, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video. So if you enjoy understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using Java. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can build this amazing image slider from start to end using Java. So just like I've telling you that we'll be just building an amazing project here, and today we are building an amazing image slider using Java. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can build this image slider. So for building this amazing image slider, I will be making new window here. After making new window, I will be closing my previous window which I am having, and then I will be opening my folder through my desktop. This is my folder image slider in Java. I will be directly pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, I will be moving to my main file. This is my main file here. So I will be raising all the codes from this main file which I will be not needing here. Then I will be directly writing here image slider like this. Now you have to save it. After saving, you have to move to this main file which is the CSS file here from which we'll be working here. So now I will be now saving it here as well. Then you have to just open this file in your browser. So my default browser is Google Chrome, like you all know that. So here this is my folder and this is my main file. I will be directly pressing right click and opening this. After opening this file, you have to now just do it side by side. So I will be making my coding side at the left, and at the right our interface side is here. You can see this. Now press Ctrl B to close side panel. Here is our file. We have also set the title here, which is image slider. You can see at the top the title has been set. Now I will be closing my file explorer from here. Then I will be now starting my main codes here. But before starting the main codes, you have to just work with your file, or you can say you have to work with your folder here. So you have to just create this folder here with the name of uh, image slider, or you can give any of the name here as well if you want to give. So there are many names which you can settle here and you can give to your folder. So here it's your choice what name you can give here, and then after giving the name you can just give it the you can just give it the size and all that stuff like you want to give here, and then you can set these all things. So here I want to show you that. So you can see we are just now getting our folder here, and in this folder we'll be starting the main codes because I'm not starting here. So we can just see and you can just understand these are the codes which I have written, these are the codes I've taken, and at the top the codes are we have not taken here because that are the codes which we are using in this. So you have to just work with that work with that codes here. And after working with this, here you have to move to the main index file because this is our main file and we'll be starting codes from here. So now we have to just move in this body tag. After moving in this body tag, you have to create a div class which should be container. Then after creating this, you have to now write here div class row max height. And after writing this max height, here I will be writing align items which should be center like this. Then you have to write here div class, and here I will be writing call 9 and write here call md. And when you've written this, you have to now write here 10. Then you have to write mx auto and then write here image container. After writing this thing, you have to write here a tag, and then you have to now just move here, write here class, and in class I will be writing btn left like this. And here you have to write I tag, then give here class fas fa caret. Then I will be now just writing here left like this. Then when you've written this, you have to just move down, write this tag, and then I will be removing this. Directly I will be writing class btn dash right. Then I tag, here you have to give it the class fas fa caret, and then you have to write here right. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to move down, and you can see we have written all the file HTML codes which we want to write. This is our image slider which we are getting. Now we'll be working on with our main file here. So I will be now moving to my main CSS file which I am getting here because I will be working with this file as well. So I will be now just styling it. So here I will be now writing main. So here I will be now writing this main white like this, or here I will be now just writing this f2f, then I will be writing dff. Then when you've written this, you have to write here main blue. So here I will be now writing here 3e92, then I will be writing c. Then when you've written this, you have to write here max height, And here in max height I will be now just writing here min height like this, and then you have to write here 100 VH. Then you have to write here body background. Then I will be now writing here VAR, and here I will be writing main white. Now when you've written this, here you have to just now move down, right here image container, and right here min height, which should be 60 VH. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing background, and background I will be writing URL, which should be image. Then I will be now writing here connect BCG 0 JPEG. Then you have to write here center cover. Then you have to write fix no repeat. Then when you've written this, here you have to write border 0.5 rem solid VAR. Then you have to write here main blue. Then when you've written this, you have to just write here border radius. Then I will be writing 0.5 rem. Here you have to write position relative. And then when you've written this, you have to write here media stream, and then I will be now writing here min width, right here 768 pixels. Then you have to write here dot image container, and you have to write min height now, which should be 80 VH. Then when you've written this, write here BTN left, and here I will be writing position absolute. Now after writing this position, here you have to just now write here top 50%, and here I will be writing that, which should be 0. Then I will be now writing here background, which should be VAR, and here I will be writing main blue. Then when you've written this, you have to write here color, means text color, which should be main white like this. And then when you've written this, you have to write here important. Then when you've written this thing, here I will be writing transform. Then you have to write here translate, and then you have to write minus 50%, comma minus 50%. Then you have to just move down, right here border 0.2 rem solid VAR. Then I will be writing here main blue. Then you have to just move down after this, right here font size, which should be 1.2 rem. Then when you've written this, here you have to just move down, right here BTN left, and then I will be writing here hover. Right border color, which should be VAR. Then I will be now writing here main blue. Then when you've written this, move down, right here background VAR, and then I will be now writing here main white. So here I will be now writing this. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here color VAR. Then I will be writing main blue, right here important. Then here you have to write BTN right, and right here position absolute, right here top 50%, and here I will be now writing right 0. Then when you've written this, you have to write directly background and set its VAR main blue. Now when you've written this, here you have to close it, save it here, reload. So you can see now we are just getting our image slider style here. Then when you are getting this, you have to just give it the color, which should be VAR. And in VAR, I will be now just writing a tag, which should be like main white. And main white here, I will be writing important like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write font size, which should be 1.2 rem. Right here transform, translate. Then I will be now writing 50%, and here I will be writing minus 50%. Then when you've written this, here you have to just write border, which should be 0.2 rem solid VAR, and here I will be now just writing here main blue. Now you have to close it. After closing this tag, here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing BTN right hour. Then when you've just written this thing, here I will be moving. Then I will be writing here border color, and in border color I will be just now writing here VAR, right here main blue. Then you have to now just write here background, which should be VAR. Then I will be writing main white. So here you have to now write main white. Then you have to just now write here color, and in color I will be now writing VAR main blue. And now you have to just now write here important. Save it, and then you have to just reload. After reloading, you can see we are getting this thing. After getting this, you have to move to your main file here, which is the JS1 file. So you can see we are in the JS file now. This time after moving in the JS file, you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now just removing these all stuff from here. And after removing these all stuff here, you have to now just work with this file here. So I will be now just working with this main dot, you can say app dot file. So here I will be moving to my JS. Then you have to just move to this app.js. You can see here we are in this file. So I will be now just writing here function, and then I will be writing here const pictures. You have to give the URL of the picture. So here I will be writing const bcg. Then I will be writing here 0. Then you have to write here font. Then I will be writing bcg-1. Here you have to now just write again con like this and write BCG dash 2. And after writing this, you have to just write here comma and write here con BCG. Then I will be writing dash 3. Now after this, you have to write here con BCG. So here I will be now writing con like this, and then here I will be writing BCG, and then you have to now write here 4. And after writing this, you have to close this and write here select VTN. Then I will be now writing here, or you can say select both left and right like this. Write here button, and then you have to write here add event listeners. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here const buttons is equals to write here document dot query selector. Then here I will be writing dot btn. Now when you've written this, you have to write here query selector all like this. Then write here dot btn, write here const image. Then I will be writing here div is equals to write here document dot, then I will be writing here query selector like this. Then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here a tag which will be like dot image container. Then here you have to write let counter is equal to 0 buttons dot, and write here for each, and here you have to write function and button tag. Sorry about that. So you can see here we have just written function button tag. Then I will be making this curly bracket, and then I will be now moving down right here button dot. So just now if I show you, you can see we have just done these all things till here. Now when you've written this click tag, here you have to write function. In function I will be now writing this e tag. Then here I will be moving down right here if button dot, then I will be writing here class list like this. Then you have to write here dot again and write contains. After writing this contains, you have to write here btn left. Then after writing this, you have to make this tag, write here counter and write dash dash. Now here you have to write if counter, and here you have to write this like 0. Now here you have to write counter again like this is equals to write here pictures dot length, and then I will be writing dash 1. Now here when you've written this, just you have to write image div. Then I will be writing style dot, then I will be now just writing here background image. Then you have to write is equals to URL. Then here I will be writing dot and slash image slash. Then here I will be now writing here pictures like this. So here I will be writing pictures. Then here you have to just now write here counter. After writing counter, you have to just now write dot jpeg like this. So after writing dot jpeg, you have to now just do one thing. You have to close this tag by writing this colon here. So you can see this, we have just closed this. After closing this thing, here you have to just move down right here if button. Then here you have to write dot class list like this. Then here I will be now writing contains, and you have to write here bt and write. Then when you've written this thing, just you have to write here counter plus plus. Then you have to just now write here if counter. Then you have to now write here pictures dot, then here I will be writing dash 1. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, and then I will be writing here counter 0. Then you have to write here image div. Then I will be now writing style dot, right here background image like this. Then here I will be writing URL, and in URL I will be writing here dot dot slash, or you can say dot slash image. Then you write here slash like this and write pictures, and then in pictures I will be now writing here a tag which will be like counter. And now after writing this counter, you have to now just do one thing. You have to make this tag and write here jpeg like this. Then you have to just close this. After writing this close tag, here you have to move down, and then here I will be just now making this tag and then closing it. Then you have to save this thing here, and after saving this, you have to reload it here. So after reloading, if I show you, you can see this is our image slider which we have built. You can see when I'm pressing this slider here, our image has been changing. You can make the image, you can just press this left arrow button to make your image previous. Means if you want to see the previous image, you can just press this left button, and if you want to see more images, you can press this right button to see more images. You can see this. So like this, we have built this amazing image slider. I hope you understand how we have built this amazing image slider using Java, and I hope you enjoy this different video. So if you haven't enjoy this video of image slider using Java, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing the notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing things. So just now I'll be with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.